Hello everyone, if you're facing this error on Roblox, same account launched experience from different device with the error code 264, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Roblox error on your computer or phone easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to go on to roblox.com, you're going to go into your Roblox account settings, click here, and here you're going to go into security. And here you're going to scroll down until you find log out of all other sessions. So just log out of every other session, click log out. And once you do that, it may ask you to complete two-step verification. So go ahead and do that. And once you do that, you will have been logged out from all other sessions. And now you can go ahead and play any game on Roblox you want. You won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying Roblox error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.